welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been able to put something on YouTube because, different reasons, family reasons and such. But I feel like it was right for me to come out here and do something today again. I thought this was a perfect opportunity. We have an opportunity to close the gap on Tottenham, keep pace and Aston Villa while chasing top four. And I thought, hey, you know what? Let's just do a thing. So I go on. People, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're brand new. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Referee, blow whistle. Let's go. I don't know. No, I don't know what happened, fam. I do know what happened. And I'm going to tell you for the first time ever, I am losing all sorts of hope on Eric Ten Hag. I am losing all sorts of hope on Eric Ten Hag. I'm going to tell you why. They start off the team with Amari Forson up front. With Ahmad on the fucking bench. Oh, that makes sense. Please help me make that make sense. We know that Haaland is out. We know that Luke Shaw is out. We know a bunch of injuries. But why the fuck do we have a team with Amari Forson on this fucking starting lineup? Why? Why? Amari Forson was even a star in the under 18s. I know, I watched them play. Amari Forson was a star in the under 21s. Yeah, him score a few goals here and there, yes. But Amari Forson wasn't shit in the teams, blood. Under 18s and under 21s. Why is he starting over Amad Diallo? Tell me why, blood. Explain to me why. The team was shit moving forward. Why? They didn't have a midfield, blood. The defense keep passing by Casemiro and Menu the entire time, just keep playing ball over the top. And Fulham wasn't playing a high line. So what the fuck are you doing, fam? Are you preparing for Man City next week, a couple weeks from now? Because if that's what you're doing, alright, fine. But what the fuck happened to the team that you're playing right now, blood? What the fuck happened to the team that you're playing right the fuck now, my youth? Why? I'm going to keep hammering this point. Why is Amad Diallo not playing? Why is Amad Diallo not playing? I am very much confused as to why Amad Diallo not starting on this fucking team at the moment. With the injuries that we have, in the locations that we have them, why is Amad Diallo not starting? Amad Diallo can pick a pass. Amad Diallo can find a cross. Amad Diallo can put it in the back line. Put it through balls. Amad Diallo can score. We've seen that over and over for the team that he played with last year in the championship. Why is Amad Diallo not playing? Eric Ten Hag? Hey, listen. I said this before with the female team. I'm going to tell you this now. You are going to let you get fired. The board is not going to fire you. You and your stubbornness is going to make you get fired. Right now, I'm telling you right now. Because just like the female team, with that captain in with the number 10, is going to make Mark Skinner get fired, you are going to let you get fired. Remember me to tell you that. Remember me to tell you say you are going to let you get fired. What the fuck are you planning, blood? What the fuck are you doing with those kind of substitutions? What? I am confused. I still don't know. I am waiting for an answer as to why you as the team look lackluster today. The team look fucked up, completely fucked up. When last have you seen a Fulham team dominate Manchester United at Manchester United like they did today? When? We're trying to play counter-attack and win a counter-attack. Why? How? Well, that makes sense. I don't know what the fuck we're going to do moving forward, but I do know. Honest to goodness, I definitely 100% do know. You, man. You bumbleclad, man. You bumblewell, man, are going to get fired before the end of the season. If you continue making decisions like that, you, man, are going to get fired without a shadow of a fucking doubt. Ratcliffe, we rate him. But these man coming making big decisions, big changes, real big. And the biggest decision he will make is far bumbleclad Eric Ten Hag. Me done give up hope on him, man. I am done with it. Fuck Eric Ten Hag. Transformation. Fuck it. Absolutely fuck it. People, bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.